This is Dr. Mapakshi. Today I'd like to talk about iodine, some of the foods that are high in iodine, and why it is important to pay attention to the iodine content. So iodine is a trace element that's very important in the production of thyroid hormones. So it is very difficult to determine the iodine content of the food because the soil content determines the content in the foods, and soil content can be extremely variable. So the highest amount of iodine is typically seen in the soil of coastal regions, and for the same reason, seaweed and seafood are the naturally available foods that are highest in iodine. These days, dairy products also have enough amount of iodine because of the iodine-containing disinfectant that's commonly used on milking equipment. It's really important to have enough iodine in your body. Too little or too much iodine are associated with health risks. For example, a patient who has less iodine is at risk of developing hypothyroidism, goiter, which is like nodules in the thyroid. Infants and kids can also have developmental delay if they don't have adequate thyroid hormone, and again, which can be because of inadequate iodine in their diet. Excessive iodine in the food or in the body can also be associated with health issues. And again, it can cause hyperthyroidism where there is too much of the thyroid hormones. So it's really important to talk to your doctor, make sure that it is safe for you to take additional iodine necessary. You don't need much. Usually the requirement's around 150 micrograms per day. So again, like we talked about, the foods that would be high in iodine or seafoods. Seaweed would be the highest, and again, the amount of iodine in seaweed can vary depending on where it's sourced from. Nori, which is the common brand that we see in most of the stores, has a little less iodine compared to the kombu, which has a higher iodine content. The fish cod also has a lot of iodine after seaweed. Plain non-fat Greek yogurt is also a good source for iodine as well. I hope this helps. Take care.